Morning children, how are you? Hope all you are safe at home. Before going to our class, I would like to give you a brief introduction about our subject. Up to second standard, you study EVS, right? But now EVS is divided into two subjects which are general science and social science. Today we are going to discuss the first chapter of social science. Shall we begin the class? Okay. Can you imagine a life without a house? No. Then transportation facilities such as aeroplane, bus, car, etc.? No. Then delicious food items? No. But there was a time people lived without any of these facilities. We call them as early human beings. So students, today we are going to learn the first chapter, that is early human beings. So what is our topic? That is early human beings. Could you see this picture? These are early human beings. Here, two pictures are here. One is a monkey and another one is a chimpanzee. What is it? A chimpanzee. What is the difference between these two animals? Could you find any difference between this? Yes, that's right. Monkey has a tail and chimpanzee doesn't have such tail. And one more thing is there, monkey is smaller than a chimpanzee. Is it clear? So monkey has a tail and chimpanzee doesn't have such one, and also monkey is smaller than a chimpanzee. I'll show you some more pictures. Look at this. There are three animals. First is a chimpanzee, second one is an orangutan, and third one is a gorilla. I'll tell you another thing, that is, we use different type of transportation facilities, right? Car, bus, aeroplane, all these are considered as different types of transportation methods. But we called it as vehicles, right? Like the same, these all animals are known as apes. What is it? All these animals are known as apes. You understood? And one more thing is that it is believed that we, the human beings, evolved from ape-like creatures. So we, the human beings, evolved from ape-like creatures. Just imagine, we, the human beings, evolved from ape-like creatures. Is it funny? But it is real, children. We evolved from ape-like creatures. So I'll show you another slide. Here we can see the transformation of apes from human beings. Once upon a time, a group of apes lived on earth. They walked with 4 legs. Slowly, they learned to stand straight. Now their 2 legs are free. So they could pluck fruits and hold tools. They used their 4 legs for different purposes. Slowly, these 4 legs became their hands and they became more stronger than the apes. They began to walk for a long distance in search of food, water, and shelter. Slowly, they transformed as human beings. So, apes transformed as human beings. First, they walked with 4 legs. Then they learned to stand straight. Then they learned to walk. Then slowly they became human beings. So, our ancestors are apes. What do you mean by the term ancestors? Do you know what is ancestors? ancestors means a member of our family who lived long years ago. What is ancestor? Ancestor means a member of our family who lived long years ago. So apes can be considered as our ancestor. Got it? Now, the early humans who evolved from these apes lived in a different way. We are going to discuss the life of early human beings. Let us learn about the food habits of these early human beings. Are you ready? Today, we have a wide varieties of food items. I know all of you like chocolates, ice creams, pizza, burger, etc. The list is very big, isn't it, children? But there was a time, on that time, people did not have such type of food items. So they hunted animals and ate raw flesh. What do you mean by raw flesh? Raw flesh means uncooked food. Raw flesh means uncooked food. So they ate uncooked food. They also ate fruits, berries, nuts and roots of plants. They also ate fruits, berries, nuts and roots of plants. So what was eaten by these early human beings? Early human beings ate raw flesh, wild fruits, nuts and roots. They ate raw flesh. Raw flesh means uncooked food, wild fruits, nuts and roots. They are known as hunter-gatherers. They are known as hunter-gatherers. Do you know why? Because they hunted animals for meat. Also, they gathered food items such as fruits, nuts, roots and berries. Therefore, they are known as hunter-gatherers. So, early humans are also called as hunter-gatherers. They are also called as hunter-gatherers. What do you mean by hunter-gatherers? Why did they called as hunter-gatherers? Because they hunted animals and gathered food items such as fruits, nuts, roots and berries. Therefore, they are known as hunter-gatherers. They are also called nomads. This is a new word for you. What is the spelling of nomad? N-O-M-A-D-S. Nomad means wanderer. Nomads means wanderer. They wandered from one place to another in search of food, water and shelter. If food items of one place is over, they shifted to another place. That's why they were known as nomads. So early humans are also called as hunter-gatherers or nomads. Why did once again I repeat, why did they known as hunter-gatherers? Because they hunted animals and gathered food items such as roots, fruits, nuts, berries, etc. That's why they are known as hunter-gatherers. They are also called nomads. Why? Because they wandered from one place to another in search of food, water and shelter. Therefore, they are known as nomads. Okay. Early humans are not like us. They lived in dense forest where they always feared about the attack of large wild animals. To protect themselves from these wild animals, they took shelter on trees. Where did they take shelter? They took shelter on trees. In order to escape from harsh weather conditions. What do you mean by harsh weather conditions? Hot, cold, heavy rain, thunder, storm, all these are considered as harsh weather. To escape from these harsh weather conditions, they found their shelter in caves. So, early human beings lived in caves and on trees. They lived in trees. They lived on trees and in caves. Let us learn about the clothings of these early human beings. Okay. Today we have a different types of dresses. In summer season we wear cotton clothes and in winter season we wear woolen clothes. Right. So according to different seasons we wear different types of clothes. But early human beings initially didn't wear any clothes. Later, to escape from harsh weather conditions, they learned to stitch clothes. For this, they used animal skin, bark of trees and long leaves. So, early human beings used animal skin and leaves to cover their body. Here you can see the picture which shows the early humans wearing animal skin as their dress, then long leaves as his cloth and bark of tree as his cloth. Could you see this picture, children? Now let's revise all these points once again. So, who are early human beings? Early human beings are the people who lived thousands of years ago on earth. Who are early human beings? Early human beings are the people who lived thousands of years ago on earth. Once again I repeat, who are early human beings? Early human beings are the people who lived thousands of years ago on earth. What was eaten by these early human beings? They ate raw flesh. Raw flesh means uncooked flesh. They ate raw flesh. Why did they eat raw flesh? Because they don't know how to cook it over fire. That's why they ate raw flesh. So they ate raw flesh, fruits, nuts and roots. Therefore, they are known as hunter-gatherers because they gathered all these fruits from different parts of the forest and they hunted wild animals for their meat. So they are known as hunter-gatherers. They are also called as nomads. Why? Because they wandered from one place to another in search of food, water and shelter. Therefore, they are known as nomads. They were moved from place to place in search of food, water and shelter. Therefore, they are known as nomads. Where did they find their shelter, children? They find their shelter on trees and in caves. They found their shelter on trees and in caves. Where did they find their shelter? They found their shelter on trees and in caves. How did they cover their body? They cover their body with animal skin and leaves. They cover their body with animal skin and leaves. Once again, I repeat, early humans are the people who lived thousands of years ago on earth. They ate raw flesh, fruits, nuts and roots of plants. They moved from one place to another in search of food, water and shelter. Therefore, they are known as nomads. They are also called as hunter-gatherers. Why? Because they hunted animals and gathered food items such as roots, nuts, fruits, etc. Therefore, they are known as hunter-gatherers. Where did they find their shelter? They found their shelter on trees and in caves. They found their shelter on trees and in caves. How did they cover their body? They cover their body with animal skin and leaves. They cover their body with animal skin and leaves. Let us do some exercises. Please try to answer for these questions, okay? First one, early humans were hunters and dash. Early humans were hunters and dash. Here are some options for you. First one is gatherers. Second one, farmers. Third one, dancers. Is it dancers? No. Then what is the correct? Which is the correct answer? Early humans were hunters and gatherers. Early humans were hunters and gatherers. What is the spelling of gatherers? G-A-T-H-E-R-E-R-S. Early humans were hunters and gatherers. Let's move on to the next question. Okay. Early human beings lived on dash. Early human beings lived on dash. Options are river banks, boats, trees. River banks, boats, trees. Which is the correct answer? Is it river banks? No. Then which is the correct answer? Trees. Early human beings lived on trees. Early human beings lived on trees. T-R-E-E-S. Early human beings lived on trees. Shall we move on to the next question? Third one is, early human beings took shelter in dash. Early human beings took shelter in dash. Options are caves, houses, hotels. Caves, houses, hotels. Is it houses? No, it is caves. It is caves. Early human beings took shelter in caves. Early human beings took shelter in caves. C-A-V-E-S. Caves. So early human beings took shelter in caves. Last question is, the clothes that early human beings wore were made from dash. The clothes that early human beings wore were made from dash. Options are silk thread, cotton, leaves. Once again I repeat, silk thread, cotton, leaves. Which is the correct answer? Do you know which is the correct answer? Correct answer is leaves. Okay, correct answer is leaves. The clothes that early human beings wore were made from leaves. L-E-A-V-E-S. So the answer is leaves. The clothes that early human beings wore were made from leaves. Let us revise once again. First question, early humans were hunters and gatherers. Early human beings lived on where? Yes, trees. Early human beings lived on trees. Third one, early human beings took shelter in dash. Where? That is cave. The answer is cave. Early human beings took shelter in caves. Last one, the clothes that early human beings wore were made from dash. Leaves. Answer is leaves. The clothes that early human beings wore were made from leaves. So these are our exercises. Once again, we will repeat all the points, okay? So who are early human beings? Early human beings are the people who lived thousands of years ago on earth. So children, who are early human beings? Early human beings are the people who lived thousands of years ago on earth. What was eaten by these early human beings? They ate raw flesh, fruits, nuts, and roots of plants. Where did they find their shelter? They found their shelter on trees and in caves. They are known as hunter-gatherers. Why? Because they hunted animals and gathered food items such as fruits, nuts, roots of plants. So they are known as hunter-gatherers. How did they cover their body? They cover their body with animal skin and leaves. They cover their body with animal skin and leaves. Did you see this picture? They are wearing different types of clothes which were made out of animal skin, leaves and bark of trees. Here you can see the shelter of these early human beings. They took shelter, they found shelter on trees and in caves. So, are you ready for watching a video? I think you are ready. So, we are going to watch a video related with early human beings. Okay. Early humans. Early humans are the people who lived thousands of years ago on Earth. They did not know how to talk, so they made sounds and signals to communicate with each other. They walked a long distance in search of food, water, and shelter. They lived in dense forest. So there where they found shelter in caves and on trees. They cover their body with animal skin, bark of trees and long leaves. They ate fruits, nuts and berries. They also ate meat, which is raw one. So that's all for today. Hope all of you understood. We will meet again with the continuation of this chapter. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy.